Yeah, good morning to all. Myself Suguna. So today's topic is like stored procedures. Okay. So today I'm going to explain what is the uses of stored procedures, how we are using stored procedures. Okay. So coming to topic, the stored procedure is a pre-compiled collection of one or more SQL statements. Okay. Precompiled collection of one or more SQL statements are commands that are stored and can be executed by a database management system or relational database management systems. And also stored procedure offer several advantages, okay, including code reuse, code reusability, and it improves performance and it enhanced security. Okay, so I am going to explain one by one. So first of all, coming to syntax. So how to create a stored procedure? So this is the syntax for creating stored procedure. Create procedure, and here I am mentioning procedure name. Okay, sorry, name. So as here we are writing SQL statements. Okay, so these are the syntax for creating stored procedure. Okay, so here some parameters are there. So first one is parameters. So basically we have in parameter, out parameter, and in and out parameters are there in SQL Server. So I'm explaining in parameters. So coming to parameters, why we are using parameters means basically stored procedure can take input parameters, okay, and they can also return values, value parameters, and also you pass values into the stored procedure when it is executed. So understood, no? Stored procedure can take the input parameters and they can also return a values parameters. It allows you to pass values into the stored procedure when it is executed. Here is the some example for uh, passing parameters. So this is the syntax for creating stored procedure. Create proc procedure. So here I am mentioning sp dot. This is the procedure name. So here again we are using some SQL statement. This is how we are passing parameters. See, here I am creating parameter. Creating a procedure. This is the syntax. Okay, create procedure, procedure name, and here I am passing like customer ID. It is a parameter, no? input parameter, customer ID int. Okay. So this is the parameter how we are passing through the procedure. Okay, here we are writing some SQL statement, SQL statement using this one. I mean, this is the parameter, no? So by using this we can easily pass the parameters. Okay, this is the example for passing parameters. Okay, and next one is execution. How we are execute procedure means. So here is the I mean, so by normally when we are writing a query, so by selecting that we can easily execute that query, no? So but in the procedure we can able to write query. For this execution also we can write query. See, this is how we are execute procedure. Okay, execute. Here we are mentioning, I mean this one, procedure name, and here I'm mentioning this one, I mean parameter. So by so here I'm giving some 1 2 3 values. So this is how we are executing procedure. Okay, this is the example for execution of procedure. Okay, so here I'm writing procedure for, I mean, I am passing the parameters by using the syntax, and here this is the syntax for execution. Okay, so I'm explaining next session with examples, in parameters, out parameters. Okay, in and out parameters also. Okay, so this is the introduction part for stored procedures. Okay, so understood, no? How we are executing procedure. So next one is output parameters. So output parameters. So stored procedure can have output parameters also. So allowing it allows to return values to the calling program. Okay, this is the syntax for output parameter. See, I'm writing query. Create procedure. So here I'm mentioning procedure name. This is the example for output parameters. Okay. This is the output parameter. Okay, output. So this is the example for output parameters. Okay. So commands completed successfully. So how we are executing here? Declare at the rate result int execute. So here I'm mentioning sp name. At the rate one s. Sorry, equal to 5 at some value equals to at the rate result out. Rate at the rate result. Okay. So here I'm mentioning numbers 5 plus 7, 12, no? So here I'm adding two numbers. Number 1 equal to 5 and number 2 equal to 7. And this is the output for this procedure. Okay. Here I am creating a procedure, and this is the input parameter and this is the output parameter. So here I am setting this one at the rate sum equal to at the rate sum plus I mean num1 plus at the rate num2. So here I'm adding two inputs. So based on this query, we are getting result like two. This is the result. Okay. Here it will calculate the values and it will give result. This is the result. Okay. So understand no this one. Okay. Output parameters. Okay. Next one is error handling. So so I'm explain next session also. Okay. So this is the basic information. Okay, basic. I'm explaining basic topic. Okay. So for understanding purpose, I'm explaining basics only. Okay. So coming to error handling can be implemented within stored procedure. Okay, using try and catch blocks. Okay. Uh, Understand no why we are using error handling can be implemented within stored procedures. Okay, by using try and catch. This is the syntax for error handling. So first of all, I'm mentioning begin, try, and here I'm mentioning SQL statement. So here I'm entry. So again, begin catch, and here error handling code. So here end catch. Okay. So this is the I mean syntax for error handling. Okay. So I'm explain with example in this session. Okay. Next one is transaction management. So transaction management, why we are using means transactions can be managed within stored procedure using begin transaction, commit, and rollback. Okay. So TCL. Okay. Transact control language is, so it comes under TCL. TCL. Okay. So it will manage within procedure. So by using begin transaction, commit, and rollback. So it ensure data consistency. Okay. By using this, we can ensure data consistency. Okay. This is the, syntax. This is the syntax for transaction management, TCL. Okay. Begin transaction. Here we are mentioning SQL statement. Here we give commit. So after writing a code, if we mention commit means it will won't roll back. Okay. So if you want to roll back means, if you want to roll back it means if we give commit, we cannot able to roll back it. Okay. Any query. Okay. And if we use rollback means we can able to get back to the any table or queries. Okay. This is the syntax for transaction management, TC. So next one is code reusability. Last one is code reusability. In short procedure, it will promote code reusability. Okay. Since they can be called from different parts of an application or from different applications. Okay. So code reusability means we can easily use multiple times. If we write the code once means we can easily use that code multiple times. Okay. That is the use of code reusability. So this is the syntax for code reusability. Code reusability. So why we are using, so stored procedure promote code usability. They can be called different parts of an application. Okay. From different applications. Okay, so create procedure. So here procedure name. So we have this one. So this is the example for code reusability. See, once I'm creating a procedure for the table, so we can easily reuse it. Okay, see, so by you creating a procedure, stored procedure, we can use this table here also. See, so I'm already, I mean, executed this one. Okay, that's the reason it cannot be executed. Okay. So, stored procedures are commonly used in database management systems like, I mean, um, not only Microsoft SQL Server, and also we can use stored procedures in MySQL, Oracle, and other databases also. Okay, so based on this, they provide a way to encapsulate complex logics, okay, and business rules within the database. Okay, so leading, I mean, it will maintain maintainable and efficient database driven application also. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Okay, this is the basic knowledge for some people. So like so with example, I'm explain in the coming session. Okay, one by one. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment me. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much.